Good afternoon, class. Good morning, ma'am. Morning. I am Ma'am Ranyola, and our topic for today is alcohol. So class, let's start. In chemistry, an alcohol is any organic compound in which the hydroxyl functional group is bound to a saturated carbon atom. So Miss De Vera, after alcohol is ingested, the body converts it to a... Oh, that's basic. It's sugar-based fuel. That's why you're my favorite student. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Viles, what do you think you're doing?
I'm sorry, it's just my drop.
What's the chemical formula for alcohol?
Chemical formula? I don't know. All I know is that alcohol is a beverage.
Hey, sit down!
Sure.
The term alcohol originally referred to the primary alcohol, ethanol, the predominant alcohol in alcoholic beverages.
Hey guys, you know President Duterte?
What about him?
He changed everything. Changed the world. But he don't like alcohol, but we love it! But wait, guys. Did you know that alcohol acts as a central nervous depressant? But it doesn't seem like it because we love it! And also, there's harm. Alcohol is part of solutions for antiseptics and medications. Oh yeah! Amazing! Stupid because I'm the most modest in the class. Not that Sheena girl, her favorite class. Not Sheena. I know, right? She's so very smart, huh? Take it.
Alcohol is a molecule that has an OH as its functional group. This is typically shown as ROH, where R means the rest of the molecule and OH is your alcohol functional group. Since alcohol is a high priority functional group, you will add the letters OL as a suffix to your molecule. Starting with this example, we highlight the parent chain and number so that the OH gets the lowest possible number. In this case, we have 5 carbons giving me a first name of pent. We have only single bonds giving me a last name of ane. Since the alcohol occurs on carbon 2, we add the prefix 2-ol. When putting the name together, you can bring the 2 to the front of the name, and that means ol will directly follow ane, and so you drop the e. This gives me a final name of 2-pentanol, where it's an instead of aneol. When you have a substituent on your alcohol, you still follow the same rules where your substituent becomes the prefix and the alcohol is your suffix. You may recognize this molecule as having the common name tert-butyl alcohol, but let's see how to name it using the IUPAC rules. We'll start by identifying and highlighting our longest carbon chain, in this case is 3 carbons, and numbering so that alcohol gets the lowest number. We have the option of numbering both from the right and the left, each giving oxygen a number 2, so I'll start numbering from the left. Having 3 carbons in my parent chain gives me a first name of prop. Having only single bonds gives me a last name of ane. Since the alcohol is on carbon 2, I have a suffix of 2-ol. And since the methyl is also on carbon 2, I get a prefix of 2-methyl. Putting the name together, remember that the prefix goes first, then the first name, then the last name, then the suffix. Remember to drop the E from ane for a final name of 2-methyl 2-propanol.
Hi, I'm Kat from Raniola's company. May I interrupt you? Okay. How much is your allowance each day?
250 pesos.
250? Let's make it 2,500 a day.
Really?
There's no harm in trying.
How?
Boom!
In our company, Raniola's company, we have ethyl Raniola's alcohol and isopropyl Raniola's alcohol. This too is made up of 70% ethanol and it is very effective in antiseptic and it is convenient and easy to carry. So, saan ka pa?
Let's go?
Yes!
A cyclic alcohol are just like straight chain alcohols, where you start by identifying the parent chain, in this case a total of 5 carbons for a first name of pent. Given that the molecule is a ring, I add the prefix cyclo. Only single bonds gives me a last name of ane. Since alcohol is the only group on the molecule, I give it a number 1 and then choose to go clockwise or counterclockwise for a total of 5. The alcohol would give me a suffix of 1-ol. However, since it's the only group on the molecule, the number 1 is understood and does not have to be included. This gives me a final name of cyclopentanol.
Hi, good morning. Do you have something that can improve my appetite? Because since I gave birth, I'm losing my weight, and can you have something to drink that can improve my weight?
Oh yes, ma'am, I have. This is La Carmina, ma'am. The alcohol content here is 52.5 and this is nutritional anemia and the loss of appetite. You take 1 cup 5 minutes before. The alcohol in this product, ma'am, is solvent and at the same time dissolvent.
Okay. That's good.
A diol is a compound that has 2 OH groups on the same molecule, and we'll use this as an example. My parent chain has a total of 6 carbons in a ring. That gives me a first name of hex and a prefix of cyclo. Only single bonds gives me a last name of ane. Since this is a symmetrical molecule, I can choose to number from either direction as long as one OH group gets number 1 and the second one gets number 2. I will write 1,2 to show which carbons the OH groups show up on, and then I will put di in front of the OL to show that I have 2 alcohols. Putting the name together, I get 1,2-cyclohexane diol. Notice that I did not drop my E in this case, given that I have the consonant D in between 2 vowels.
What's your perfume? So bango, ha? I know, right? You want to know? Yes. Come with me. So welcome to the Raniola Perfume Companies, where all your dreams can come true. So welcome to our valued customers. So first we gave our freebie college shirt, and then I'm going to introduce to you our products. First, the Raniola's perfume. Second, Raniola's aroma.
And our best seller, Papa Ranyolas Cologne.
Ang sagot sa lahat ng problema mo sa mga babae, ang gamot sa lahat ng pagkakabigo ng mga lalaki. Nandito na ang Papa Cologne.
So the good thing about our products is that they all contain ethanol, which ethanol is the least toxic of all alcohols, and it prevents animals and plants from burning up.
Hey, let's get all their stuff.
Thank you. Thank you.
Miss Cavite! See you next time! Mom!
How much is your allowance?
Gaganda nga yung babae dito, no? 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 Gaganda nga yung babae dito, no?
Alcohol! Manap ka ng Papa Cologne. Ranyolas Papa Cologne.
We can. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? 250.
Making my way downtown, walking fast,